In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create animated videos in Canva. To get started, head over to Canva in your web browser. Once you're on the home page, you'll be ready to explore the built-in design options Canva offers. This is a great platform for beginners because it makes video creation much easier with ready-made layouts, drag and drop tools, and simple editing controls. From the Canva home screen, click on Templates. This section is where Canva organizes pre-made designs for all kinds of content, including presentations, social posts, and of course, videos. Using templates is a huge time saver, especially if you want professional-looking animated content without having to build everything from scratch. After that, search for animated videos. Typing this into the search bar helps narrow down the template library so you can focus only on designs made for motion and video-based content. This is helpful because animated video templates are already structured with transitions, moving elements, and timing in mind, which gives you a strong starting point right away. Once the results appear, select a template that fits the style or message you want for your video. Take a moment to browse, because the right template can make the editing process much smoother. Look for something that matches your topic, color preferences, or overall tone. Choosing a template first is often easier than trying to design an animated video from a blank canvas. When you've found one you like, click on Customize this template. This will open the design in Canva's editor, where you can begin making changes. The editor is where everything comes together, and this is the main workspace you'll use to personalize the video. Now, it's time to edit the template. Replace the sample text with your own content, update colors if needed, and swap in your own images, graphics, or branding elements. You can also adjust the animated parts depending on what the template allows. As you edit, keep your message clear and your design balanced so the final video remains easy to watch. If you're creating content for social media, marketing, or tutorials, it's a good idea to keep visuals clean and avoid overcrowding each scene. That's all it takes to begin creating animated videos in Canva. Starting with a template makes the process faster, simpler, and much less intimidating, especially if you're new to video design. Once you're comfortable with these basics, you'll be able to create polished animated videos more confidently and efficiently.